नाउ विल सी आर्टिकल 12. आता आर्टिकल 5 ते 11 पर्यंत आपण आलो. आता बघूया आर्टिकल 12 which provides the definition of state. Now why it is important to know the state because article 12 to 35 provides fundamental rights under part 3 of the Constitution of India. These fundamental rights are fundamental, basic, inherent, inalienable, natural, etc. These are the fundamental or basic rights of every human being, but still certain rights are guaranteed to only the citizens, whereas some other rights are guaranteed to non-citizens also. Some rights. Now, these rights, these fundamental rights are available. These rights are available against the state. Against the state. म्हणजे लोकांना जे अधिकार आहेत त्या अधिकारांचं उल्लंघन स्टेटने करायचं नाही. The state shall not violate or infringe any of the rights which has been guaranteed under this part, that is a part 3 of the Constitution of India. Therefore, it is very necessary to understand what exactly the state is. Now, the state is meaning of the state is that the parliament and central legislative council किंवा आपण त्याला म्हणूया parliament and union government. Then assembly, state मध्ये जी assembly असते ती state assembly and state government. कारण भारतामध्ये काय आहे फेडरेशन आहे. त्यानंतर लोकल सेल्फ अथॉरिटी like जिल्हा परिषद, municipal corporation, etc. and any other authority. Now we know what is a parliament, we know what is assembly, we know what is local self government. All these are based on certain statutory provisions. Parliament and assembly have been established by the constitution itself, but what is meant by local authority, there is a little bit confusion, and therefore the Supreme Court in its various decisions has provided the meaning of other authority. मग ती नार्गेश मिर्झाची केस असेल किंवा राजस्थान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्डाची केस असेल, सुखदेव सिंग वर्सेस भगत रामची केस आहे, अजय हसिया वर्सेस खालिद मुजीब, सेंट्रल इंडलँड वॉटर ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन वर्सेस राजोनाथ. इन ऑल दिस केसेस सांगू का इथे तुम्ही लिहून घेतलंय का झालंय तुमचं? राजस्थान स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, त्यानंतर अजय हसिया वर्सेस खालिद मुजीब किंवा सेंट्रल इनलँड वॉटर ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन वर्सेस राजोनाथ, त्यानंतर आर डी शेट्टी वर्सेस एअरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, आर डी शेट्टी वर्सेस एअरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, सुखदेव वर्सेस भगत राम. त्या प्रत्येकाचे फॅक्ट्स वेगवेगळे आहेत. सुखदेव वर्सेस भगत राम झाल्या का तुमच्या या केसेस? अरे आलिशा?
येस सर.
ओके. न्यू लॉ कॉलेज, सांगली, कोल्हापूर झाल्यात ते हे सगळे झाल्यात ना? तर in these cases the Supreme Court has decided a criteria to recognize an authority as a state. To recognize an authority as a state. मग काय क्रायटेरिया दिलाय, काय कंडिशन्स दिल्यात? If the authority is established by any statute or any statutory authority. Statutory authority is a state. If the authority is established controlled by the state, then it is the state. If the authority is receiving any financial aid or grants from the state, is also a state. And त्याच्यामुळे any statutory authority, for example, the Shivaji University is established under Maharashtra Public University Act. Therefore, university is a state. The college, New Law College or the YC Law College is established under the Society Registration Act and Bombay Public Trust Act. Therefore, it is a state. The college is receiving the financial aid or the grants from the state. Therefore, it is the state. The authority, for example, Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation (MSRTC) is established by the statute. Therefore, it is a state. म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट आता ते एसटी बस वाले म्हणतात आम्हाला पण तुम्ही राज्य कर्मचारी म्हणा. Already, as per the definition, they are the servants of the state, but they are not receiving the financial aid from the state, and therefore they are making a hesitation against the state. But yesterday, the High Court and the Industrial Court has declared that this strike is illegal. ओके, तर इथे स्टेट म्हणजे काय हे आर्टिकल 12 मध्ये सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न केला गेलेला आहे. व्हॉट इज द स्टेट? स्टेट मीन्स द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया अँड द युनियन गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, असेंब्ली ऑफ द स्टेट अँड द स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट, लोकल सेल्फ गव्हर्नमेंट लाईक जिल्हा परिषद, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन एक्सेट्रा. अदर अथॉरिटी, द अथॉरिटी which is established under a state, or the authority which is established and controlled by the state, the authority which is receiving any kind of financial aid or grants from the state is considered as a state. Therefore, the state, why the state is necessary? Because all the fundamental rights which are available to citizens, these rights are available against the state. That is, मग पुढे आर्टिकल 13 आपण बघणार आहोत. आर्टिकल 13 मध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे, the state shall not make any law which is against the fundamental right, and therefore it is necessary to know what is state. Yes,